Going on, guys? What is going on? In the car again, traveling from store to store. But I wanted to make this quick video before I walk into the next location. Now, I did trade today. I traded earlier this morning, and hopefully one day I'm just going to be a full-time trader. I do trade every day, but I only trade for the first 15 to 30 minutes of the day. In this case, today, I only traded for 6 minutes, which is not bad. My normal goal is anywhere from $50 to $100. Sometimes I don't hit that goal, but sometimes I do achieve it. Sometimes I actually, like on the good day, I'll probably do like 150 to 200, maybe 300. That's if it's a good day. Now with this right here, I seen that the last resistance was the SMA line, which is this right here. And so I got in at the little pullback right here. I got probably right here, I believe. I made a quick $40 in 6 minutes, which is not bad. Yeah, so, all right. Okay, so I got in right here and ended up selling right at the SMA line. And then it ended up going back from, just ended up pulling back right here, pulling back right here. So obviously it hit the SMA line again. And then this is where it crossed it right here. But right when I made the $40, I got out. So right here, $40 is what I made. My normal goal is 100, but January has been really slow days for me. But green is green, not bad for 6 minutes of the day. So that's really all I trade. Just wanted to make a real quick recap. I did get in on this little pullback right here. Ended up selling right at the SMA line, only because the last resistance was at the SMA line. So I wanted to sell here in case it did pull back and ended up having to cut losses. But I ended up going at, I've got way too many lines on here. So this was the support right here. So I bought it, pretty much almost bought at the support, sold at resistance. If I was a full-time trader, I literally left right when I sold. I closed the laptop, ended up calling it a day. So if I was a full-time trader, I would have gotten back at support and sold real close to resistance. And then as you can see, it ended up going up. But I think it ended up pulling back or selling off. Let me see. Definitely could have. Yeah, wow. Okay, not bad at all. But yeah, that was pretty much my trade for today. And my trades do not last no more than 30 minutes. Today was a real quick day. In and out, 6 minutes, $40. Not bad. And that right there was my only trade for the day. So $40 right here. And I called it a day. I do not get back in after I made profits. Not until I start doing this full time. Like I said, I do trade every day, but only for the first 30 minutes. Sometimes really like today, for example, only for the first 5 to 10 minutes. I'm in and out. $40 is not bad within 6 minutes. Maybe mid-year I'll start doing this full time to where I'll try to identify every support and resistance and try to buy at support, sell at resistance and stuff like that. But yeah, that was pretty much it right there. $40, 6 minutes, not bad. I appreciate you guys watching. If you do get any value from my videos, please like and subscribe, and I'll definitely be posting more videos up. Thank you guys. Enjoy your day.